So I made this Epeza today, bean soup, the Ebira people way, and I feel like if Onyamobany, if my grandma was alive, she would have loved this soup. In fact, I made the soup as some kind of tribute to my grandma, but with a twist. I call it Western Epeza. So when my grams used to cook, she liked to add a little bit of everything, right? And so in this soup, I have bomo, I have snail, I have some goat meat, I have oxtail. I still added a little bit of beef. It has stockfish, it has dried fish, and then I was also trying to not do an overkill. It has shaki as well. The shaki is lamb, right? And then to make it Western Epeza, I added crabs because I have recently gotten obsessed with crabs. And so look at those giant crab legs. Look at that. Anyway, so yes, this is our Epeza. This is how we make it. It is literally just beans blended while dry, black-eyed peas, so not washed or anything, just dried. And this is the soup. It's Epeza. The leaves inside would be bitter leaf and spinach, right? You can use ugu if you want. You can use uziza. I've done that once before and it was just perfect. But look at those crab legs. Anyway, I'm about to go enjoy this with some eba. This is deliciousness on steroids. Just look at the perfect pot of soup. I know I'm gonna be cracking those crab legs like a mad person in private. You don't have to see that. Yeah, Epeza from my village in Okene.